Nope, there are not enough videos of this on the internet. Alright, if you click this link, I know why you're here. It's a story I've heard over and over and over 1,000 times in my career. You're fresh out of street photography school, got debt to pay, so you're running with something inexpensive like a little Canon QL17. It's doing good for you, you're shooting a lot of street photos, you're starting to make some money, you're paying off your debt, and you're like, damn, this is a great job to have. Maybe I should have a Leica now, and make even more money. So you go, you buy yourself a Leica, it shows up, but suddenly there's a problem. See, with the Canon, like 99% of all the film cameras in existence, you load the film by swinging the back open. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you load cameras. But then your Leica shows up, and you're like... One second. So then your Leica shows up, and you're like, what the hell? The back doesn't open. Did they send me one of those digital Leicas? No, they didn't. Calm down. Leicas are special and load through the bottom. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. So grab your new camera and follow along to this video. So here is your new Leica M3. Although it probably won't happen to you, there's a slight chance it may arrive with this appendage on here. This is the Leica CT-00M flash bracket, also referred to as the Katoom. Now the Katoom was made for one reason and one reason only, to satisfy the hubris of photographers who think they're better than the God-given natural light found in any environment and want to bring their own. The first step you want to do if this is attached is to get rid of it, throw it away. So you're gonna take this dial, unscrew it, and it'll pop right off. Now we can start loading the film properly. So as you notice, you can't, unlike most cameras, you can't pop the top off and have the back swing open. In the event that there's film in your Leica, you're going to want to flip this little knob here to release the rewinding mechanism, and then take this, pull it up, and twist it. And after a while it'll hit a spot where it'll tighten up and then give, and that's how you know your film is all wound up. So then you want to flip your camera over, and here we have open auf and close zu. German and English for people who don't speak German only. So you want to take this little lever like that, open it up, twist 180 degrees, and pull off the bottom. Now you can freely open the back and take a peek at the inside of the camera. And also in there is this little do-jobber right here. This is impossible with these gloves on. There we go. And this is the take-up spool for the film. Ooh. So notice the little diagram on the bottom showing you exactly how to orient your film. So you take a roll of film, and there's a little like flap on this thing. So you're going to want to take the leader of the film, get it under the flap, push it in there, just give it a good push until you can see it through all the arrows on here, and your film is now connected to the take-up reel. So you just pull it open, roll it, get it into the slot, and while the back is open, just advance it a little bit until the film is flush and you can see that the teeth are catching the sprocket holes. And there you go. So now we just shut the flap and take your bottom plate. Now remember, there's a little moon-shaped hole on this side which lines up to the moon-shaped button, which is on this side. So you just attach that and lock it. Now, if you can't twist the whole thing 180 degrees, you gotta keep working it like I just did. But there, it's all the way around. Fire off a few frames until it gets to frame counter number 1, which my camera is not doing because it's stuck on 40. Guess it's time to get this camera a CLA. Yeah, Leicas love CLAs. That stands for Clean, Lube, and Adjust for all you non-photographers watching this video. But there you go. And that, my new friend, is how you load your Leica. Go make some money with it.